Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Start by preparing a square grid page for practice and review. Place each kanji inside a single square with 1/4 margins on each side. Focus on 2 common AI kanji, Chinese letter for love and Chinese letter for meat. Learn each kanji reading and meaning before writing any strokes. Keep your brush or pen angle consistent throughout the practice session. Practice 20 repetitions per character to build muscle memory. Begin Chinese letter with the small top horizontal component first, then add the downward vertical. Continue left to right for the next 3 strokes, forming the top enclosure properly. Draw the middle heart radical by executing each stroke from top to bottom. Complete the lower enclosure and the final hook with careful proportion control. Chinese letter uses 13 strokes drawn in a specific top to bottom, left to right order. Practice 20 repetitions to build steady muscle memory and correct proportions. For Chinese letter, start with the small top lid stroke and then draw the enclosing hook. Keep the central vertical spacing about 1/2 the square to maintain balance. Add the inner strokes left to right and finish with the lower open curve. Chinese letter is a 6-stroke kanji with a clear top lid and open lower space. Use light, steady pressure, and repeat 20 times for fluency and consistent stroke shape.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.